Rise up, O sons. Yea, yea, this I say. Rise up, O sons, in my new day. For the things I say will be the things you do. For as you walk in oneness with me, there will be no more manifestation of two. As you do the things I say, this will surely usher in my new day. But does not the word declare, ye are gods and sons of the Most High? Now stand up, my sons, before their eyes, so they can see the revealing of me, and walk as the sons I've created you to be. Go forth now as a mighty man, and walk out your scroll, so the world can see the redeemed soul. Psalm 82:6. I said, you are gods, you are all sons of the Most High. Genesis 1:26 through 28. Then God said, let us make mankind in our image, in our likeness. Galatians 4:6. Because you are his sons, God sent the Spirit of his Son into our hearts, the Spirit who calls out, Abba, Father. A poem given to Jim Wilson.